Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to change language settings in Trello, so let's get started. The first step is to log into your Trello account. This brings us to our main dashboard where all your projects are displayed. Now, you might wonder why we start from the dashboard. Well, it's because the dashboard is the central hub from where you can access various settings, including language preferences. Next up, navigate to the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile picture. This will open a drop-down menu. The reason we do this is because Trello has hidden all account-related settings here. After clicking on your profile picture, click on Change Language from the drop-down menu. Now, this might seem straightforward, but let me explain why this matters. Trello supports multiple languages, and it's here where you get to choose which one you prefer. Upon clicking Change Language, you'll see a list of languages pop up. Scroll down to find your preferred language and click on it. The language you choose should then be highlighted. This step is vital as it customizes your Trello experience, making it more personalized and user-friendly. Now that we've done that, click on the Save button to apply your changes. This helps us because it ensures that your chosen language setting is locked in and will be applied across all your Trello boards. And just like that, you've successfully changed your language settings in Trello. This process is simple yet crucial in ensuring you get the most out of your Trello experience. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in our next tutorial.